Everyone thinks the best-selling voice amplifier for teachers is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ZOWETK Voice Amplifier. The ZOWETK Voice Amplifier is a solid choice priced at $29. With a 4.4-star rating based on 9,000 reviews, it's clear many educators are satisfied. If you want a reliable way to project your voice without straining, this is worth a serious look. This amplifier offers 10 watts of power, which can cover an area of about 10,000 square feet. That's impressive. Plus, it has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 12 hours, so you're set for a full day of teaching. It even supports various audio inputs like TF cards and USB drives, allowing you to play music or other audio. Now, some users mention that the sound can sometimes lack bass. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for speaking, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's all about clarity, and this amplifier delivers that. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable option that won't drain your voice. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a lot of bass for music. Now, if the ZOWETK's sound quality bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, WinBridge WB002. Next up, we have the WinBridge WB002 priced at $45. It also has a solid 4.4-star rating from about 1,000 reviews. If you want easy Bluetooth connectivity for a more modern teaching experience, this one is definitely worth your attention. The WinBridge offers 15 watts of output power, which is designed to fill a classroom of about 50 students. The battery life is impressive too, lasting between 12 to 15 hours on a single charge. This means you can teach all day without worrying about recharging. However, a few users reported connectivity issues with the Bluetooth. Here's the thing, if you don't mind a quick reconnect every once in a while, this amplifier gives you a lot of flexibility. This is ideal for teachers who want to incorporate technology into their lessons. Skip this one if you prefer a wired connection for reliability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious educators. Product number 3, Norway Bluetooth Amplifier. The Norway Bluetooth voice amplifier comes in at $29.99 and has a 4.3-star rating from over 3,300 reviews. If you're looking for something effective for both classroom use and outdoor events, this might be a great fit. With a 10-watt output, this amplifier ensures your voice carries clearly without any distortion, saving your throat from strain. The battery life is also impressive, offering 12 to 15 hours of use on a single charge, allowing for multiple teaching sessions without the need for constant recharging. Some users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward to set up and use. This is perfect for teachers who need a reliable, easy-to-use voice amplifier that won't let them down. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with Bluetooth technology. Now, if the Norway's instructions frustrated you, wait until you hear about the next product that simplifies everything. Product number 4, SHIDU Voice Amplifier. Next on the list is the SHIDU Voice Amplifier, priced at $34.99. With a 4.3-star rating from 4,000 reviews, this is a favorite among many educators. If you want a powerful sound and a compact design, take a closer look. This amplifier offers 10 watts of output power as well, with the capability to cover up to 11,800 square feet. It's designed for clarity, ensuring there's no distortion or feedback, which is critical when speaking to large groups. Plus, it has a long battery life of 12 hours, making it suitable for even the busiest teaching schedules. It supports music playback from various sources, adding versatility to your teaching tools. However, some reviewers noted that it can get a bit heavy around the neck during extended use. But for the sound quality you get, it's a trade-off that's often worth it. This is a great choice if you need a powerful amplifier that can handle large classrooms. Skip this one if you find neck straps uncomfortable during long periods of use. Now, if the SHIDU's weight was a concern, you might want to check out our final product, which takes a different approach. Product number 5, VOVIGGOL Portable Voice Amplifier. Finally, we have the VOVIGGOL Portable Voice Amplifier, priced at just $19.99. It holds a 4.4-star rating from roughly 930 reviews. If you're looking for an affordable option that still packs a punch, this is definitely worth considering. Despite its mini size, this amplifier delivers up to 8 watts of sound that can fill a room of 25-50 people. It features multiple audio input options, which means you can use it for various teaching materials. With a battery life of up to 20 hours, you won't have to worry about running out of juice during your lessons. Some users found the sound quality lacking compared to pricier models. But honestly, at this price point, it performs surprisingly well for basic amplification needs. This is perfect for budget-conscious teachers who still want an effective way to project their voice. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end sound quality. So to wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic options. The ZOWETK for reliability, WinBridge for Bluetooth ease, Norwei for effectiveness, SHIDU for power, and VOVIGGOL for affordability. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your teaching style best. So there you have it, the top 5 voice amplifiers for teachers. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, feature-rich, or powerful, there's an option for you on this list. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and teaching environment. Happy teaching!